Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Marcus Corporation was a monopoly, but splitting it into two firms raised average costs for everyone. Let's solve this economics puzzle right now. Economies of scale occur when a single large firm can produce goods at a lower average cost than smaller firms can. This happens because high volume spreads out the fixed costs. If breaking a monopoly into two smaller firms causes the long-run average total cost to rise, it proves that the original large-scale production was much more efficient for Marcus. The original large firm operated under economies of scale before the government breakup. This makes option D the winner. You nailed this one. Well done. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.